This is the hot rolling mill. The slabs are heated up to 1,200 degrees Celsius in the reheating furnace to produce thin sheet. The slabs taken out of the reheating furnace are formed into coils with uniform width by tapping from the side in the sizing press facility. Steel sheets precisely meeting client needs are produced. The mill for successive hot rolling used in the operation line is able to roll slabs into coils of 2,300 millimeters wide, which is the widest possible made in Japan. It produces slabs from 1.2 millimeters up to 25.4 millimeters thick.